Hey everyone, thanks for joining for Tuesday's video again. This time we're going to do Lollypop, which is a music player meant more for the Linux GNOME interface, but we're going to slap this in a container, or more spin up the container. So we're going to go ahead and go down to our YAML instructions, and we're going to do it through Portainer as usual. Here's our scroll, here we are. Go ahead and copy this part, and I'm going to change it to docker.io like last time. Add a container. Call it Lollypop. Call this docker.io. Next, we need our process user ID and our process group ID. Environments. Add our environment variables, process user ID, and process group. Not FID. There we go. So we'll add 1000 and 1000. I think by now you guys know to check what your user and group ID is. Do that. Make sure you get your correct ones. We're going to need to do /config and then point it to our directory. Now I've pre-made a directory for this one just to cut down on time. I'm going to copy, back to Portainer. I'm going to volumes. I'm going to map an additional volume, bind it for persistent, /config, and then paste my config directory. Now we need ports 3000 and 3001. As always, if you need to change your ports, 3000 or 3001 taken, be sure you set 3000, 3001 your container for your container's use, and you can change it on your host. But since I have either used, I'm going to set it as default. Should be good to go. I think. Got our volumes, got our environment variables. Okay, we got our ports, got our name. Let's go ahead and deploy. Alright, now Lollypop is running. I should be able to see this on localhost 3000. Yep. And I'll show you here I forget where I did it. Oh, bother. For information. Uh-oh. Oh, here it is. Preferences. And you're going to come to music. How this would be, we would have nothing. It would look like this. I'm going to choose this. You choose desktop. Whatever folder you want inside where you put config. And it will populate what you have. But it might mess up since I did that. There we go. I'm using a free lo-fi beat just to show you it does work. We'll hit play. Alright. Supposedly it will also, if you insert the correct metadata or you rip it yourself, it'll find the album art. It'll put the artist name and all that kind of stuff. You'd also rate it and do it that way. You do playlists, genres, artists, kind of almost like the project I was doing for myself, but a lot nicer looking. Anyway, hope this helped you guys out with something you may be interested in. As always, try to do quick videos, get them out, get them to you, and yeah, be safe, have fun, and I'll catch you on the next video.